Today I'm going to show you how to begin your portfolio page on your Weebly website. When you go to log in, make sure that you're pressing the red Google button, and it's going to take you to your email and sign in through your school email. Press Edit Site, and you're going to make your way into your already created home page. And today we're going to work in the portfolio page. So when you're in portfolio, you want to start with a title of the project. So our first project in photography is photograms. And I would increase the size of the title so it stands out. Then I'd like you to bring over slideshow. And that little blue line just directs where it's going to land. I like thumbnails on the bottom of my slideshow so I can see all the photos I've included. Upload from the computer, so whether it's on your desktop, downloads, or in documents. You're going to save, and you can always go back and add more photos. Next to your images, you always want to have your self-reflection. So I drag and drop text from the left. And I'm just typing in there so I remember to put my reflection in that spot. When you're finished, each time press Publish as your Save button and click on that blue link and see what your website looks like. So if I go to the portfolio page, I can get a view of what others will see on my website.